WP Reset swiftly reverts the site's database to its original installation settings, swiftly and effortlessly. The plugin can be installed from the WordPress dashboard. Once activated, you will see a new page in the Tools section called WP Reset. Before initiating the reset for this installation, let's first create a snapshot, essentially serving as a backup. This installation doesn't have much content, so it takes only a few seconds to complete. For each snapshot, there are several actions. You can compare the database tables, restore, download or delete the snapshot. Back in the Reset tab, at the bottom of the page I usually check all three options. Type in the word reset and then click on Reset Site. This pop-up will ask for yet another confirmation. Press the prominent red button to erase all content. Unless you have a snapshot or a different database backup, there is no turning back after this. After you press the button, in a few seconds you will see the dashboard again, with all the original, welcome messages and notifications. Website reset done. If you like the video, then please like and share with your friends. Also, write your suggestions in the comments to make the videos more impressive. Please, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.